The Pi Network is a cryptocurrency project that was launched on March 14, 2019, by a group of Stanford graduates, Dr. Nicholas Kokkeles, Dr. Qingyao Fan, and Vincent McPhillip. The primary aim of the project was to create a decentralized, peer-to-peer cryptocurrency that could be mined using smartphones. By making cryptocurrency mining more accessible to the general public, Pi Network sought to address the challenges associated with traditional cryptocurrency mining, such as its high computational costs and energy usage. Early vision and purpose. The creators of Pi Network recognized that while Bitcoin and other early cryptocurrencies were revolutionary, the process of mining them had become prohibitively expensive and technical. Bitcoin mining, for example, requires specialized hardware and consumes large amounts of electricity, which excludes a significant portion of the population from participating. In response to these limitations, the Pi Network was designed to allow individuals to mine its native cryptocurrency, Pi, directly from their smartphones without consuming excessive energy or computational resources. The founding team aimed to democratize cryptocurrency and allow ordinary people to participate in the new digital economy. Pi Network's goal was not just to create another digital currency, but to build a user-friendly and inclusive platform for users around the world. The three phases of Pi Network, the development and growth of Pi Network, were designed to unfold in three distinct phases. Phase 1, Beta, Phase 2, Testnet, and Phase 3, Mainnet. Phase 1. The beta phase. Pi Network was launched in beta on Pi Day, March 14, 2019, March 14th, a nod to the mathematical constant pi. During this initial phase, users could download the Pi Network mobile app from app stores, create accounts, and start mining Pi by simply logging into the app daily and pressing a button to confirm their mining activity. The app operates as a lightweight mining system, meaning it does not require users to dedicate their device's resources to mining in the way Bitcoin mining does. One of the key features that set Pi Network apart was its emphasis on trust within its community. Users are encouraged to form security circles by inviting trusted individuals to join the network, thus contributing to its overall security. The more people one invites to Pi Network, the higher the individual's mining rate becomes, incentivizing user growth and engagement. Throughout Phase 1, Pi Network focused on building its community, testing its technology, and refining its system. The Pi app gathered millions of users globally, primarily through word of mouth and community building, creating a substantial base of users who were actively mining Pi. Phase 2. Testnet. The second phase of the Pi Network project began with the Testnet launch in early 2021. This phase was a critical milestone in Pi Network's journey, marking the transition from a mobile-based mining platform to a fully functioning cryptocurrency network. During the testnet phase, the Pi Network team launched a blockchain ledger, allowing developers and nodes, computers that maintain the blockchain, to test transactions, scalability, and security in a controlled environment. The testnet was crucial for identifying and addressing any potential issues before the full public launch of the mainnet. It also allowed the Pi Network team to gather feedback from community members, developers, and node operators, ensuring that the final product would be robust and secure. In the testnet phase, Pi's blockchain allowed transactions between users, but the Pi currency still had no monetary value in the open market. This phase focused on decentralization, as users were invited to operate nodes and participate in maintaining the network, helping to increase security and stability. The more nodes running the blockchain, the more decentralized and resilient the network would become. Phase 3. Mainnet. The Pi Network team announced that Phase 3, the final phase of the project, would begin when the community and the ecosystem were fully prepared. The Mainnet phase would involve the full launch of Pi as a functioning cryptocurrency, allowing users to transfer Pi coins, use them for purchases, or trade them on exchanges. During the Mainnet phase, Pi's blockchain would become open, and Pi would gain real-world value as it could be traded for other cryptocurrencies or fiat currency. A A key element of the Mainnet launch would be decentralization. Pi's vision was to create a truly decentralized network with its governance in the hands of its community members. Users would be able to run nodes and validate transactions, ensuring that the network remains secure and efficient without the need for centralized control. An important distinction made by the Pi Network team was that, unlike some other blockchain projects, Pi Network did not conduct an ICO, initial coin offering. Instead, it focused on growing its community organically before entering exchanges. Challenges and controversies. Despite its ambitious vision, Pi Network has faced several challenges and controversies over the years. One of the most significant criticisms is that, even after millions of people have started mining Pi, the cryptocurrency has not been traded on any major exchange. As a result, Pi tokens mined by users do not currently have any monetary value, leading some to question whether the project will ever fully deliver on its promises. Skeptics have labeled Pi Network as a potential scam or a pyramid scheme, given its reliance on user recruitment to increase mining rates. The project's lack of transparency around its financial model and future plans has also drawn criticism from some in the cryptocurrency community. However, Pi Network's developers have emphasized that the project is still in its early stages and that they are prioritizing building a stable, decentralized network over rushing to launch on exchanges. The team has reiterated that Pi's value will come from the strength and engagement of its community, as well as the utility of the Pi currency in the real world. Community and ecosystem growth. Despite the controversies, Pi Network has succeeded in building a massive global community. By the end of 2023, the network had over 45 million engaged users, or pioneers, as the project refers to them. The app remains one of the most downloaded in the cryptocurrency space, with strong user growth, particularly in emerging markets where traditional cryptocurrency mining is out of reach for most people. Pi Network's community is diverse, with users participating from over 200 countries. The platform has also encouraged the development of decentralized applications, dApps, and ecosystems within the Pi Network, with the aim of increasing the use cases for Pi and fostering real-world utility. The road ahead as the Pi Network approaches its mainnet phase, the project's future remains uncertain but promising. If successful, Pi Network could bring cryptocurrency mining to millions of people who previously couldn't participate, democratizing access to the digital economy. However, challenges remain, particularly around the project's eventual monetization, governance, and regulatory hurdles. Pi Network's founders have repeatedly emphasized that they are focused on long-term goals, including creating a sustainable cryptocurrency with real-world utility. The launch of the Mainnet, expected in the coming years, will be a critical moment for the project, determining whether Pi can transition from a widely used app to a legitimate and valuable cryptocurrency in the global market. In conclusion, Pi Network represents an innovative attempt to bring cryptocurrency to the masses by making mining accessible to anyone with a smartphone. While the project has faced criticism and skepticism, its large and growing community suggests that there is significant interest in its vision of a decentralized, user-friendly digital economy. Whether Pi will ultimately fulfill its potential remains to be seen, but it is undoubtedly a project to watch in the coming years.